Do you remember the hills that look like white elephants?
No, I've never seen one.
No. Of course you haven't.
It's a very simple operation, Marilyn. Barely an operation at all. You just let a little air in, and I'll be with you the whole time.
And then what? What about afterwards?
Afterwards, we'll go back to the way we were before. We'll be fine.
What makes you so sure?
Because this is the only thing between us. It's the only thing that's made us unhappy.
And you think we'll be all right and happy?
You know it. Don't be scared. I've known lots of people who've had it done.
Yes, so have I.
If you don't want to do it, you don't have to. It's a perfectly natural operation.
And you really want to?
I think it's for the best.
And if I do it, we'll be happy and you'll love me again?
Well, you know.